Struggling with stress, low energy, lack of sleep, brain fog, your weight? Maybe you just don't feel quite like yourself. Each of these challenges has something in common: your metabolic health. What if you could upgrade your metabolic health and tackle each of these challenges starting today? Are you ready to have your personal wellness realized? Introducing dōTERRA's MetaPWR, a breakthrough system formulated to support your metabolic health transformation in multiple ways. The MetaPWR Metabolic Blend is the foundation for the entire system. It has proprietary balanced ratios of grapefruit, lemon, peppermint, ginger, and cinnamon bark essential oils. Use it to reduce hunger cravings and support overall healthy metabolic function. Some promising research suggests the blend may actually reduce the size of fat cells when ingested. Just add MetaPWR essential oil to a glass of water, or take MetaPWR soft gels daily to try for yourself. Now let's talk about blood sugar. Blood glucose levels are usually lowest in the morning, before the first meal of the day, and rise after meals for an hour or two. Keeping these fluctuations within normal range plays a big role in healthy metabolic function. MetaPWR Assist combines the MetaPWR blend with mulberry leaf extract, berberine, and cinnamon. When taken before a meal, MetaPWR Assist slows down the conversion of carbohydrates to glucose. Healthy, smoother blood glucose curves are good for your long-term health and critical for sustained, steady energy through your day. Did you know, starting in our early 20s, the body's natural production of both collagen and NAD+ starts to decline? This plays a role in how we age, our energy, mental clarity, circulation health, nervous system health, skin, and more. While it's famously said that Father Time is undefeated, he doesn't have to be. Get the MetaPWR advantage. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body. It's responsible for healthy skin, hair, nails, bones, and joints. Without it, your skin loses elasticity and hydration. And while most collagen products only feature one or maybe two types of collagen, MetaPWR Advantage boasts 9 unique collagen types, and it is 12 times more absorbable than the competition. More absorption means greater benefits. NAD+ helps to maintain youthful functioning of cells. MetaPWR Advantage is formulated with a naturally derived source of NMN, which can help to naturally increase NAD+ levels in your body. With consistent daily use, Advantage may help you look and feel younger. There are 9 other active ingredients in MetaPWR Advantage. It's a superpower product that tastes great too. After the first 30 days of using the MetaPWR system, in combination with healthy lifestyle choices, many people say they have more energy, greater mental clarity, and better sleep. They notice improvements in their skin. Many are having success releasing excess weight and managing stress. Are you ready for your MetaPWR transformation? Get started today.